All right, if you've watched any of this build on this XJ, you know I'm trying to get it fully equipped to do whatever I need to do off-road. One of those biggest things out there is self-recovery and preparedness, right? So I do have the onboard air compressor, which is great, but what about actually repairing your tire? Many times you get a flat in the middle of a trail. It's a pain in the butt trying to switch tires out. Plugs won't hold. You go on a lot of rocky trails. You cut your sidewalls. One thing I wish I'd have known of a long time ago is GlueTread. This is the sidewall repair kit. Put it directly on the sidewall of your vehicle. They've got multiple different kits that you can get. Basic, full size, all the way to complete. Check them out. I'll post the link on there, right? But one thing about this kit is, so it does come in a Ziploc bag. So once you open it, you can seal it back up to keep everything dry. All right. It comes with this kit comes with the 2 of the 4x4 patches, 2 of the 3x1.5 patches, 4 bottles of the adhesive, 10 applicator tips, and the 10 pieces of sandpaper. So basically what you'll do is you locate the cut, slit, whatever in the sidewall of your tire, sand it down, prep it, put it on, and it'll hold. So a lot of times, you know, it's very inconvenient to try to do that in the field, but it's inevitably going to happen. So you want to be prepared. That's why I got this kit. This is for the sidewalls. I'm actually going to reach out to them and get another kit with actually a plug kit in case I get a puncture in my tread pattern. One thing about this company I'm going to tell you is customer service. Got the product ordered, got an email let me know that it was ordered, an email let me know that it was being prepared to ship, an email telling me that it was shipped, a tracking number. Customer service has been phenomenal. Not only that, I'll show you a picture right here. While I was waiting on my product to arrive, they send me emails with tutorial videos that you can look up, and it actually shows you step by step on how to actually make this application work in the field. This kit also does come with instructions inside of it, but I'm kind of a watch and learn kind of guy, so watching the tutorial videos has really helped me out with this. Hopefully I don't need this anytime soon, but again, it's all about being prepared. Check out GlueTread. I doubt you'll be disappointed. They got some phenomenal reviews, and again, I wish I'd known about them a lot sooner. And although this is pretty much going to stay in my XJ because I do all the off-road and what have you, wife does have some big sidewalls on her 35, so probably going to grab another kit, keep it on the side of her vehicle in case of an emergency situation. Be a lot easier to patch it to get it somewhere safe as opposed to trying to move these tires around, especially with the spare being off the ground. So thanks again. Check them out.